Hello, fourth standard students. Welcome back. We were discussing about the topic capacity. So we have learned the full topic except for the word problem, isn't it? We have learned about the different types of units, then conversion from bigger to smaller, smaller to bigger, then addition and subtraction. Now the last topic is the word problem. Now we'll see about the example. A milkman sold 26 liter 595 ml of milk on the first day, 35 liter 700 ml on the second day, and 42 liter 560 ml milk on the third day. What is the total quantity of milk sold on the 3 days? मतलब फर्स्ट डे इतना, सेकेंड डे इतना, थर्ड डे इतना, तो टोटल कैसे देखेंगे? एडिशन. सो यू राइट द स्टेटमेंट. मिल्क सोल्ड ऑन फर्स्ट डे, राइट, 26,595. मिल्क सोल्ड ऑन सेकेंड डे, 35,700. मिल्क सोल्ड ऑन थर्ड डे, 42,560. So you have to write liter ml up. Okay, now we are at 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 15. Now 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17 plus 1, 18. Now here it is 1, isn't it? Now it will be 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So answer is 104 liter 855 ml. Total quantity of milk sold on 3 days is 104 liter 855 ml. Okay. Now coming to the second question. There was 2 liter 750 ml of oil in a can. Reena used 1 liter 900 ml of oil for cooking. How much oil is left in the can? So left, remained. तो तभी क्या करने का? Subtraction, isn't it? So the first statement always it will be total. So total oil in the can is how much? 2 liter 750 ml. Quantity of oil used is how much? 1 liter 900. So quantity of oil left is minus. So 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. Now 7 minus 9, not possible. Go to the left, cut 2, write 1. Go to the right, cut 7, write 17. 17, 10 in hand. 7 से 9 तक आगे जाओ. 7, 8, 9. How much is remaining? 8. Now here 1 minus 1 is 0. So the final answer is, how much is left? 0 ml you won't write. 850 ml of oil is left in the can. Clear? Now coming to worksheet 4. 3 milkmen are separately carrying 36 liter 250 ml, 58 liter 396 ml and a 66 liter 324 ml of milk in their containers. Find out what is the total quantity of milk with them. तो 3 लोग हैं तो कैसे लिखेंगे? टोटल पूछे मतलब एडिशन है ना, it is addition. Okay, now you write the statement: quantity of milk with the first man, quantity of milk with second man, quantity of milk with the third man. और first man का 36 liter 250 ml, 58 liter 396 ml, 66 liter 324 ml. Now add 6 plus 4, 10. Now see, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 2, 17. Now 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, it is 9. Now 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. Now 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं आप लोग, एक एक ऐसे एक एक लाइन में हाथ में पकड़ के काउंटिंग कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये भी आदत डालो, अगर नंबर्स फेमिलियर है, मतलब वो लोगों का इकट्ठे टेबल्स के हिसाब से होएगा या फ्रेंड्स को लेकर करेंगे तो ऐसे रहेगा, तो वो मेथड से भी करने को सीखने का. सो द टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ मिल्क विद देम इज 160 लीटर 970 ml total. Okay. Now, second question. A shopkeeper purchased 45 liter 500 ml of mineral water. During the day, he sold out 28 liter 755 ml water. How much mineral water is left with him? Left का मतलब क्या है? Subtraction. So, the statement, total quantity of mineral water is 45 liter 500 ml. Next, quantity of mineral water sold is 28 liter 755. Quantity of mineral water left. Put the subtraction sign. Now 0 minus 5 not possible. Left, again it is 0. So go to the left. Cut 5, write 4. Go to the right, cut 0, write 10. Again cut 10, write 9, because we are taking right, isn't it? Cut 0, write 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 5, it is a 4. Now 4 minus 7, not possible. Go to the left, cut 5, write 4. Go to the right, cut 4, write 14. Now 14 minus 7, 14 minus 7, 10 in hand, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much is remaining? 7. Now 4 minus 8, not possible. Go to the left, cut 4, write 3. Go to the right, cut 4, 14. Now 14 minus 8, 10 in hand, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much is remaining? It is 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 6 is remaining and 3 minus 2 is 1. So you got 16 liter 745 ml. So dash of how much? 16 liter 745 ml of water was left with him. Write the answer. Okay. Now coming to the question number C. Raju mixes 2 liter 750 ml of cow's milk with 7 liter 5 ml of buffalo's milk. How much milk did Raju have in all? तो राजू गाय का दूध और बफेलो के दूध को मिक्स करता है. टोटल कितना है? तो क्या करने का है? एडिशन है ना. सो क्वांटिटी ऑफ काउज मिल्क 2 लीटर 750 ml. क्वांटिटी ऑफ बफेलोस मिल्क 7 लीटर 5 ml. अभी 5 ml को कैसे लिखेंगे? 005. नाउ टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ मिल्क. So 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 0, 7, 2 plus 7, 9. So the answer is 9 liter 755 ml. So Raju had 9 liter 755 ml milk in all. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? कहाँ एडिशन करने का, कहाँ सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का. Now coming to the question D. A barrel can hold 29 लीटर 55 ml ऑफ ऑयल। बैरल मतलब बहुत बड़ा कंटेनर जिसमें ऑयल को रखा जाता है। सो उसमें इतना ऑयल था, 12 लीटर 94 ml ऑयल वॉज टेकन आउट, उसमें से इतना निकाला। व्हाट इज द रिमेनिंग क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑयल इन द बैरल? अभी कितना उसमें बचा है? सो कितना बचा, तो तभी क्या करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्शन, है ना। कितना बचा पूछेंगे तो सब्ट्रैक्शन। टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑयल इज हाउ मच? 29 लीटर। 55 को कैसे लिखेंगे? 055। और क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑयल टेकन निकाला 12 लीटर एंड 94 को कैसे लिखने का? 094। ये सोचो मत इधर 55 है इधर 94 है, दोनों 2 डिजिट है, तो इसके लिए डायरेक्ट लिखने का नहीं। सो हमेशा लीटर ml में इधर ml के साइड में 3 डिजिट होना जरूरी है। Now 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 9, not possible. Go to the left, 0. So again go to the left. Cut 9, write 8. Go to the right, cut 0, write 10. Again cut, write 9. Go to the right, cut, write 15. है ना। अभी 15 minus 9. So 10 in hand, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. कितना बचा हाथ में? 6। और इधर कितना आएगा? 9. Now 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So you got 16 liter 961 ml. So the remaining quantity of oil in the barrel is 16 liter 961 ml. Clear? So we have completed question number D. Now coming to the last question of the word problem. Ramu's bucket holds 8 liter 350 ml of water and Shalu's bucket holds 8 liter 455 ml of water. Whose bucket holds more water and by how much? देखो, रामू और शालू के पास बकेट्स हैं। सो रामू के बकेट में इतना 9 लीटर 350 ml है, शालू के बकेट में 8 लीटर 455 ml है। किसके बकेट में ज़्यादा है? तो नंबर देखोगे तो मालूम पड़ेगा। दिस इज 9 लीटर, दिस इज 8 लीटर, सो हु विल हैव मोर? राम, इजंट इट? सो उसको पहले लिखने का। और कितना ज़्यादा है पूछे हैं तो इसके लिए डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करने का। डिफरेंस का मतलब क्या है? सब्ट्रैक्शन। फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस। क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर इन रामू's bucket is how much? 9 liter 350 ml. Quantity of water in Shalu's bucket 8 liter 455 ml. Find the difference. 0 minus 5, not possible. Go to the left, cut 5, write 4. Go to the right, cut 0, write 10. Now 10 minus 5, how much? 5. Now 4 minus 5, is it possible? No. Go to the left, cut 3, write 2. Go to the right, cut 4, write 14. Now 14 minus 5, 10 in hand, 4, 5. How much is remaining? 9. Now 2 minus 4, is it possible? No. Go to the left, cut 9, write 8. Go to the right, cut 2, write 12. Now 12 minus 4, 10 in hand, tell 2 and go to 4, isn't it? 2, 3, 4. It is a 8. Now 8 minus 8, 0. So answer, it is 895 ml. So Ramu's bucket holds 895 ml water, more than the Shalu's bucket. Holds 800 ml more water. More water than Sharu's bucket. Is it clear? Any doubt? So we have completed the capacity lesson. So all the three lessons, length, weight and capacity, all three are of the same kind. So if you understand one, the other will also be easy. Isn't it? Okay then. Bye. Thank you. Take care.